In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A26, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner and hit Files. To add an audio one, select Audio at the top. Use those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources or click on one of your apps. Either way, after finding your file, just click on it to attach it. To add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Look for your video here to click on it. Or if you can't find it, select Folders and look for it here. Then click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!